The federal government is foreign. Hello? May 3, 2020 by Anna von Reitz. And, it operates in foreign jurisdictions of the law. So do all of its franchises operated as territorial or municipal state-of-state organizations. They all operate in foreign international and global jurisdictions, too. All of these entities are organized as foreign, for-profit, governmental services corporations or religious non-profits, most recently as 501(c)(6) service organizations. So are their courts foreign, 100% foreign. You, as a natural-born American, have less business being in their courts than a pig has being at a tiger convention. And for much the same reason. But if you don't strenuously and knowledgeably object and have evidence on the public record demonstrating that you have done your homework and declared your American political status, guess what? Your British and Holy Roman Empire employees, the corporations subcontracting to provide you with governmental services, have already and with malice aforethought foisted dual federal citizenship off onto you. If they arrest you as a municipal citizen, they prosecute you in a municipal court, under global commercial law. If they arrest you as a U.S. citizen, they prosecute you in a territorial court, under maritime or admiralty law. Either way, you are stuck and you don't belong in those courts at all. Simply telling them that is not enough, because they have long-standing evidence that you are in fact both a territorial and municipal citizen and under all the obligations they suffer from themselves. That evidence takes the form of birth certificates, Social Security enrollments, driver licenses, marriage licenses, etc., 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 all of which have been required of the employees of these foreign governmental services corporations. So if you are not a foreigner and not a federal employee, why do you have all these records attached to your name that indicate that you are some species of federal employee or dependent? You've been hoodwinked and given misleading information, that's what. You've been told that you had to have a social security number. You've been told that you had to have a driver license and a marriage license and a business license, too. You've even been told the egregious big lie that the Constitution can be suspended by an executive order. None of these things are true for an American, but you have been deliberately misidentified and mischaracterized as something else, as a federal, aka, U.S. citizen of some kind. Americans live in states, not states of states. Americans are not British territorial U.S. citizens, nor are they municipal citizens of the United States. We are not naturally subject to any foreign international or commercial law. We are owed our own court and public elections, not private corporate shareholder elections. And the list goes on. But if we don't stand up for ourselves and know who we are and know what we are owed, if we fail to take action and govern ourselves, guess what? You will be presumed to be a foreigner on your own shores and deprived of all your constitutional guarantees. You will be unable to actually own your own home and will live your life as a tenant of an absentee landlord instead. You will be subjected to these foreign courts and their black-robed priests will dispose of you and your property assets however they please and you will have no way to stop them. Unless you wake up. You take charge of the situation. You object and take exception to all of this. You declare your political status as an American. You join your state assembly. You restore your American common law courts. You hire your own sheriffs. You do what your forefathers did, and instead of trusting and relying upon the foreign corporations and the hired help, you self-govern, instead. Go to www.theamericanstatesassembly.net and get started now. If you enjoy having Anna's latest articles made into videos, please consider making a purchase from Ed's website sacredintuitiveelements.com. Thank you.